Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 7.10. So let's look at the first subdivision. It says that integral between 0 to a 3x squared dx is equal to 8, and we are asked to find out what is the value of a. So first let's integrate this particular expression. So 3x squared, when you integrate, it will become 3x cubed by 3 between the limits 0 to a is equal to 8. So now this 3 and 3 you cancel out, then we will substitute. So this is x cubed between the limits 0 to a is equal to 8. So let's apply the limit. This means a cube minus 0 cube is just minus 0 is equal to 8, or simply a cube is equal to 8. Therefore, we know that a's value is equal to 2. So let's note it out. The value of a is equal to 2 here. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Second subdivision, the integral limit is between 1 to a 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx is equal to 11. So first let's integrate this expression. So this will become 3x cubed by 3 plus 2x squared by 2 plus x between the limit 1 and a. So we will simplify first. So this means x cubed, because 3 and 3 vanishes, 2 and 2 will be gone. So this is plus x squared plus x between the limits 1 to a is going to be equal to 11. So first let's apply the upper limit. When you apply the upper limit, it is a cube plus a squared plus a. This is upper limit, minus of 1 cube is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now we are going to take this 3 that side. So this means a cube plus a squared plus a. This minus 3, when it goes the other side, is going to be equal to 14. So now this is going to be a trial and error method only, because we have a cubic expression. So first let's find out. So a, if you put it is equal to 0, it doesn't make sense. So let's try a is equal to 1. So if you try a is equal to 1, this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is not true. So let's try a equal to 2. So if you try a equal to 2, you get 2 cube is 8 plus 2 squared is actually 4 plus 2. So this seems to be equal to 14. This shows that a is going to be equal to 2. So in the second subdivision also, a's value is equal to 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.